Partnership is an important concept of quantitative aptitude section, as questions from this topic is frequently asked in the competitive exams. The concept of ratio and proportion plays an important role in solving questions based on this topic. Partnership. When two or more than two persons run a business jointly, they are called partners in that business, and the deal between them is known as partnership. There are two types of partners in the business. Working partner. A partner who manages the business is known as working partner. Sleeping partner. A person who simply invests the money is known as sleeping partner. Important formulae. Suppose two persons P and Q invest rupees X and rupees Y respectively for a year in a business. Then their share of profit or loss at the end of the year is share of P's profit or loss upon share of Q's profit or loss is equal to X upon Y. Suppose two persons P and Q invest rupees X for M months and rupees Y for N months respectively. Then share of P's profit or loss upon share of Q's profit or loss is equal to XM upon YN. When investments are altered in the given period, we need to take the changes into consideration while calculating their profits. For example, suppose A and B started their business with rupees 5,000 and rupees 10,000 respectively. If after 3 months A invested another rupees 5,000, then we have to consider A's capital for the remaining period is rupees 10,000. So, A is to B is equal to 5,000 into 3 plus 10,000 into 9 is to 10,000 into 12 is equal to 1,05,000 is to 1,20,000 is equal to 7:8. Solved example. Here is an example to understand the basic concept and formulas of partnership. A standard A started a business investing rupees 50,000 in 2015. In 2016, he invested an additional amount of rupees 20,000 and B joined him with an amount of rupees 70,000. In 2017, B invested another additional amount of rupees 20,000 and C joined them with an amount of rupees 70,000. What will be A's share in the profit of rupees 2,10,000 earned at the end of 3 years from the start of the business in 2015? Answer. Calculating the ratio of A, B and C. A is to B is to C is equal to 50,000 into 12 plus 70,000 into 12 plus 70,000 into 12 is to 70,000 into 12 plus 90,000 into 12 is to 70,000 into 12, 22,80,000, 19,20,000, 8,40,000 is equal to 19 is to 16 is to 7. A's share in the profit is equal to rupees 2,10,000 into 19 upon 42 is equal to rupees 95,000. So, basically, questions based on partnership mainly focuses on two factors, which are profit shares of partners and time period of their respective investments.